Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be cooking Farah fried fish with homemade paste. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. I've taken 1 kg Farah fish, cleaned and pat dried. Make few slits on the fish on both sides, so that the spice and salt will get in the fish and it will get cooked faster. Let's prepare a paste. Into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add some salt according to your taste. One egg. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix all of this well to form a thick paste. Apply the paste thoroughly all over the fish and in the gaps. Make sure each and every portion is fully covered with the masala. Keep this in the refrigerator. Let it sit for 2 hours. Let the fish absorb all the masalas. It's been marinated for 2 hours. Time to fry the fish. Heat oil for frying. Gently add the fish into the pan. We'll fry the fish one side for 5 minutes. Time for us to flip the fish on the other side. We need about 3 minutes for the fish to cook. Top up some oil so that it will cook evenly. The aroma of this recipe is going to invite your neighbors. A simple and delicious fried fish is ready. Do try this and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.